Okay, so I'm attempting to eat fish.
Not attempting. You were going to eat it, but you're going to see if you actually like it.
I'm gonna eat at least one bite. This is gonna be a
And
historic moment.
For,
This is
from my, I say it was excellent. So let's see if she
this is
thinks.
San Pietro pesche. Apparently it's a Mediterranean fish. We don't have it in the States.
Let's see what happens.
Let's see. You gotta get some of the sauce on it. They're like they don't like it. Olives. Okay.
Okay, over the lips, over the gums. Watch out, belly. Here it comes. And what's the verdict?
Well, it did make me sick.
Well, okay.
It's fairly good. It's not very fishy.
Nice.
If I take a couple more bites.
Okay, good. Is that it?
That's it.